everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a Bulq.com case that we're going to unbox. Has 50 items in it. And guess what? I voted today. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so here's the specs on this case. This is a Bulq.com case of toys, games, dolls, stuffed animals. I opened one similar to that before, but we're going to see if there's any different things. A lot of the things in the last box I opened went to Amazon, so I'm really excited that the same will happen. I did end up going positive, not a ton of profit in it, but it was still positive money. So I paid $131 for it, $30 to ship it to me, all in at $161. Which makes each item average out to be $3.22. So we're gonna go ahead and just get inside this case, let you see what the condition was. Some of those items from my last box ended up being in the mystery, girls and boys mystery boxes that I have for sale on hookedonpickin.com. I know for a while I didn't have boys mystery boxes, but I'm gonna make some more available, and so you can check that out. But I already see some different things, so I'm excited about that. What is this? This is new. Trellis. A game of Zen and Blossoms. 2 to 4 players. Takes 20 minutes. Age 10 plus. Huh. That's a cool. I might want to keep one of those just for myself. I got a few of those in here. So we'll see how much they're going to be worth. Watch my second video. I will definitely list everything and then tell you exactly how much I'm going to make from that. Looks like that is it. What is this? Unrivaled. Everybody is best at something. Stir up a rivalry, read the room, a madcap game of trivia, physical, team, and solo challenges. Who will take them on? Who will predict the winner? So let me see. Some of these activity challenges. Who exhibits the strongest feminine energy? That was one of the cards. Who would be the healthiest on a road trip? So you basically have to pick people in the room. This actually looks like a really fun game. Awesome. Here's another one. 4 epic games, the big game night. Who am I? Race to the drawing board. Don't say a word, and charades. Nice. Golden Girls. 300 puzzle pieces. That takes you back, doesn't it?
That's awesome.
Yes. Love it. So far, condition is, oh, never mind. I almost spoke too soon. All right, so this is beat up. What I'll probably do is take this backing off just like this. And this little toy will just go like this. And it'll probably go into one of my, I don't know if I'll put it in my toy boxes or not, because it's kind of pretty beat up. So we're going to set that off to this side since it's not really in good shape. But this one's good. So must be from a show, like a Disney Junior show, Vampirina. Yeah, so we've got quite a few of these. So I'm just going to start. Oh, they have different characters with them. I just noticed that. This one has a cat. This one has some sort of a blue figurine on it. Here's another one of that one. We got quite a few of these. Oh, here's different ones. That one's the same. Let's see what else we got. That guy is the same. That's it for right now. So I'm going to move these over here to the other table just to give myself some room. I love all the games that are in here and the condition, except for that one thing, which is not too bad. So I'm excited about that. 50 separate items. So far only one has an issue. Look at that. Baby shark, do 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 do, right? And some more baby shark stuff. Here, let me put this on the table. Is this one of those like fingerlings? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Looks like a, yeah, it's made by fingerlings too. Got a couple of those. So we'll see how much those are worth. Ended up with another one of these games, so I'll stick that on my pile of those games. Here's a Fisher-Price toys. Oh, look, look, look. I had one of these when I was a kid. I'm so excited. Remember you pull it along the floor, ding, 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 the little phone. For those of you who don't know, folks, this is a rotary phone. Fun.
Nice.
Yes. I'm so excited. Fancy Nancy doll. Boy, she's in good condition there.
It's a big doll.
That is a huge doll.
Who is Fancy Nancy?
Fancy Nancy, they write a bunch of books. There's a bunch of Fancy Nancy books. And everything Fancy Nancy does is super over the top. Like when she wears a hat, it's like almost too big for her body. Everything she does is over the top. Oh my word.
It's a fuggler.
It's a fuggler.
Careful saying that word.
I know. Look, there's a couple of, these are the same.
Got a bunch of
These
fugglers
are,
over there.
those are creepy. Oh, I don't like it. Okay, we're gonna.
Fugglers and Fancy Nancy.
Fancy Nancy and Fugglers. All right, let's see what we got. A little toy, little Lego toy. This will probably end up in a Toys Mystery. Got another one of these games. Ooh, here's a Disney Frozen puzzle, 3D puzzle. 3D puzzle. What are you building? The tower?
That's cool.
Ooh, that looks difficult. All right, what is this one?
Doggy Doo.
Doggy Doo. When you gotta go, you gotta go. It's a game about dog poop. What will they think? Fugglers and Doggy Doo. Where's some high quality stuff here we got going on? All right. Head hackers, brainwave blocking, tinfoil hat inside. What? Foiled again. Strap on your tinfoil hat and block the other players from reading your thoughts and stealing your points. The secret word is sponge. Everyone knows this except for your partner. Write down 3 word clues to help your partner guess it. Don't be too obvious. The other teams know the secret word too, but they will guess the clue words that you've chosen to use. Oh, so they have to guess what you're going to put down for clues.
Who knows?
Interesting. All right, good thing I can read upside down, huh? All right, squishy cupcake, Lego. We have the big version of this, like the big, huge, where is it?
Behind that.
Yeah, it's like a huge stuffed one of, what is this guy called? Sweet Mayhem. And then, let's see, what else is this? This is a something, scented something, Fruit Festiva series. Fine, I don't know, some sort of a toy. I'm not sure what it is. All right, let's see. We've got slime. We've got another Unikitty, an angry Unikitty. Keychain. Ugly dolls. Cobra Paw, ninja-like, knows how to steal the game. Another board game. I love these games because the games usually sell really quickly. And some of these are small enough to put in the mystery boxes. So some of these might end up in my boys and girls mystery boxes. Here's some more of this like flavored slime. Fruit Yums, Cookie Craves, Cocoa Crunch, Honey Bites. There was some of this in the other one. These are going in my mystery boxes. They're big containers of slime. Here's an Angry Bird. Here's another one of those dinosaurs. These have been going in my mystery boxes as well. So I'm going to definitely open up some more boy ones since I'm getting some more boy toys. Ooh, here's that Disney Junior toy. The car. Must be the car she drives. All right, let's see. Here's another Fancy Nancy toy. Huh. Here is a Kindy Kids case. Looks like that. And then I'll turn it around and show you exactly what's all in it. Look at that. Kind of shows you what's inside the case. Oh, crap. Crap. Sorry, I couldn't help it. It's a squishy poop.
That's what you want to
Come
do.
on, kids. Squish your poop. Because that's what you want to teach them.
You want to teach kids to
Squish their poop. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Right.
What kind of a world have we grown into? My grandma would be mortified of the things that, that we do these days. Fizz and Surprise Fairy Drop in Water. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look, for baby dolls, little diapers. Now I do know I can't sell Baby Alive, and so we'll see how much those are going for. They may be unhooked on Pickin, but if not, they're probably going to end up. Why'd you put the poop in the diaper? There's a poop on the diaper.
Poopy diaper. Right
It's
there.
a poopy diaper right there.
I tell you what, if your baby's wearing that diaper and poops this much,
There's something wrong.
your baby's got a problem.
Here's some more plushies from Angry Birds and another Mayhem plushie. Keychain. What's this? This is, we're almost done. Lost Kittens Mice Mania game. There's a lot of fun games in here. Mm-hmm. And then 2 more things. Oh, here's the lid to my slime. And then we've got a mystery squish delish container. One of those foam mystery. And then another Ugly Dolls mystery bag. So, a lot of these things will end up in some of my toy mystery ones. Probably a lot of these little keychains just because by themselves they're not worth it after fees. But let's go ahead and look up a few things that we got multiples of just to kind of give you an idea will we make money. Remember, the specs on this box is I paid $161 for the 50 items that I bought, and it was all brand new. So I'm opening up my Amazon Seller app on my phone, and then we're going to go ahead. Let's scan this Game of Zen Trellis. All right, let's see. That one is selling for $14. After fees, I will be able to sell it for $5.93, which doesn't sound like a lot, but
You'll make $5.93.
yeah, I'll make $5.93, which doesn't sound like a lot.
So $6 basically. How many boxes do you have?
Yeah, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But remember, each item was around $3.22, so I'm still probably in the profit margin. Let's look at these weird, gross-looking fugglers. I just feel wrong saying that word.
What, fugler?
Yes. All right. Ooh, these actually are selling. Wow. All right. So after fees, $20. $20 a fugler.
So you got 3 of them? So
Yeah.
$60.
$60 right there. Show what else you want to scan. Let's scan this Fancy Nancy doll because it's awful large. Now, I think the fees are going to be a little bit higher on this than a normal doll because of the size. After fees, we're going to make $22 on her. And if you could see right there, fees are $12 just because it takes up a little bit more space in the warehouse. So $22 after fees on that. So I think so far we're looking pretty good. Watch my listing video. We're going to check that out and see exactly how much money we make. And then you also know which items I decided to keep back for my my actual toy mystery boxes. We'll add some boy ones on there since we've got a few more boy toys in this with some of the games and things like that. If you're looking for a specific thing, you can always email me and request that if I still have it in stock. So just try to be quick on the draw with the emails. Again, this was a Bulq.com case of toys, games, dolls, stuffed animals, 50 items, brand new. The only thing that had condition issues was that one item that I showed you. And so it cost me $161 all in after shipping. So hopefully we can make the $161 back plus maybe double our money. So I'm hoping to make an additional $161 on top of making my money back. So hopefully it's been fun to see the condition of the new category from Bulq.com. I hope you have fun and make sure your baby doesn't poop that big in their diaper. That's crazy. Actually, they would call that a blowout, right? Anyway, hopefully it's been fun. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to watch more of my videos, check it out. If you're not yet a subscriber, I put a video out every single day at noon Central Standard Time. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification button. And then, of course, if you want a mystery box with some of these fun toys that are in brand new condition, go ahead and check out my mystery boxes. The link is in the description below. If you can't find it, go to hookedonpickin.com. You can also get some reseller helps if you would like to do exactly what I do in reselling online.